In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your puzzle pieces using UniqueSketching, where you sketch the entire outline of the shape and then push or pull the object into the piece that you want it to be. So the first tool you use is the sketching tool. The last tool you use is the push or pull tool. So the first thing is sketching, and when you're sketching you want the pencil. You have to be very careful about the placement of each line, making sure that you are happy with the size before you click enter, making sure you know each of the lengths of each of the sides. You have to do each side as a full sketch before you turn corners. So I'm going to start at the origin and I'm going to go this direction. I want to type in my lengths. That's the easiest way to do it. 1 1/2 inch. Click enter. It'll give you that length. Then you turn. Make sure you stay parallel. By using the axes, it will actually show you colors, making sure that you're staying perpendicular, making 90-degree turns. I want to make a 90-degree turn that's 3/4 of an inch. Go ahead and click enter. This time I want to be on the red axis and I want to do 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to make sure I just type all my measurements just to be safe. So click enter. And this time I want it to be 1 1/2 inches again. So I'm going to click enter there. Along the green axis, along the red, I want it to be 3/4. Again, just type to be safe, click enter. And then the last thing, if it all matches, it'll go back together. And in the bottom corner, you can see that the length is 2 1/4, which is what I want it to be, and it would reconnect with the beginning line. Click enter, and when you've made a shape that matches back to where you started, each side has to be its own line. It will turn blue, and then when you use the push-pull tool, you can click, pull it up, type in the measurement that you want. So I want a measurement of 2 inches. Click enter, and you should have a design that has no extra lines. So you go ahead and press and rotate around and take a look at all sides of your design. And because I used an individual line for each side, there are no lines interrupting any of the edges. Alright, so again, you use the sketching tool and then followed by the push-pull tool, and you have an object created using the unique sketch line.